Good morning, everyone. I am Ram Enkar, an English teacher from Manibai Gujarati High School, Amravati, Maharashtra. At outset, I extend my heartfelt greetings to all of you on the auspicious occasion of National Youth Day, that is Swami Vivekananda Jayanti today. Today, let's have a look at the life, work, and thoughts of Swami Vivekananda. You know, the original name of Swami Vivekananda was Narendranath Datta. He was a famous Indian Hindu monk. He was the man behind the foundation of the Ramakrishna Mission. He was a brilliant student right from his school days and had exposure in several fields such as arts, music, studies, and literature. Later in his life, he introduced the Indian philosophies to the Western world. You know, he was born on 12th January 1863 in Calcutta, Bengal Presidency, British India. He was born to Vishwanath Datta, who was the attorney at the Calcutta High Court, and Bhuvaneshwari Devi, who was a devout housewife. He established the Ramakrishna Mutt and the Ramakrishna Mission in 1897. Now, you are much familiar with Swami Vivekananda. Let's explore out his quotes that make any human feel enthusiastic, vibrant, and active to succeed in his life. Now, let's listen to the quotes by the famous Hindu monk Swami Vivekananda. Okay. Take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Strength is life. Weakness is death. Experience is the only teacher we have. We may talk and reason our lives, but we shall not understand a word of truth. If you think yourself strong, strong you will be. Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea. And just leave every other idea alone. This is the only way to success. Stand up, be bold, and take the blame on your shoulders. Do not go about throwing mud at others. For all the faults you suffer from, you are the soul and the only cause. Meditation can turn fools into sages, but unfortunately, fools never meditate. Learn everything that is good from others, but bring it in and in your own way absorb it. In a conflict between the heart and the brain, follow your heart. That man has reached immortality who is disturbed by nothing material. You should work like a master and not as a slave. Work incessantly, but do not do as a slave's work. Whatever you believe, that you will be. If you believe yourself sages you will be tomorrow. There is nothing to obstruct you. If I love myself despite my infinite faults, how can I hate anyone at the glimpse of a few faults? You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Besides, believe in that. Do not believe that you are weak. Do not believe that you are half crazy, lunatic, as most of us do nowadays. Stand up and express the divinity within yourself. You are the creator of your own destiny. That which is selfish is immoral, and that which is unselfish is moral. Talk to yourself once in a day, otherwise, you may miss meeting an excellent person in this world. Throw away all weakness. Tell your body that it is strong. Tell your mind that it is strong. And have unbounded faith and hope in yourself. When you are doing any work, do it as worship, as the highest worship, and devote your life to it for the time being. We are what our thoughts have made us. So take care about what you think. Words are secondary. Thoughts live, they travel far. Great convictions are the mothers of great deeds. The world is the great gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is achieved. The power of concentration is the only key to the treasure house of knowledge. Each work has to pass through these stages: ridicule, opposition, and then acceptance. Those who think ahead of their time are sure to be misunderstood. Neither money pays, nor name, nor fame, nor learning. It is character that can cleave through adamantine walls of difficulties. Conquer yourself, and the whole universe is yours. 3 golden rules. Who is helping you? Don't forget them. Who is loving you? Don't hate them. Who is trusting you? Don't cheat them. The greatest sin is to think yourself weak. The greatest religion is to be true to your own nature. Have faith in yourself. Strength is life, weakness is death. Expansion is life, contraction is death. Love is life, hatred is death. In a day when you don't come across any problems, you can be sure that you are traveling on a wrong path. Okay. Be the servant while leading. Be unselfish. Have infinite patience, and success is yours. Okay? Thank you very much.